Hi, you can download the Expert Advisor that is built in this video and use it for your own AI codebase by just clicking on the link below.
In this video, we are going to create an Expert Advisor that displays the current BWMFI indicator value on the chart. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon here or by pressing F4 on our keyboard. This opens the Metaeditor where we can create our new Expert Advisor. We create a new file by clicking on New, then Expert Advisor, and we give it a name like SimpleBWMFIDisplay. The wizard creates the basic structure for us, but we only need the OnTick function for this simple display indicator. Inside the OnTick function, we start by creating an array to store the BWMFI values. We declare a dynamic array of type double and name it BWMFIArray. This array will hold the indicator values that we retrieve from the chart. Next, we define the BWMFI indicator itself. We use the iBWMFI function, which creates the Bill-Williams Market Facilitation Index indicator. The first parameter is _symbol, which represents the current symbol of the chart. The second parameter is _period, which uses the current time frame of the chart. The third parameter, volume _tick, tells the indicator to use tick volume for its calculations. This function returns an integer handle that we store in the variable BWMFIDefinition. Now we need to prepare our array to receive the indicator values in the correct order. We use ArraySetAsSeries with the BWMFIArray as the first parameter and true as the second parameter. Setting the second parameter to true sorts the array from the current candle downwards, meaning the most recent candle will be at index 0, the previous candle at index 1, and so on. With our array properly configured, we copy the indicator values into it using copybuffer. The first parameter is BWMFIDefinition, which is our indicator handle. The second parameter 0 specifies that we want to use the first buffer of the indicator. The third parameter 0 means we start copying from the current candle. The fourth parameter 3 indicates we want to copy data for 3 candles. The fifth parameter BWMFIArray is our destination array where the values will be stored. Now we calculate the actual value for the current candle. We access the first element of our array using BWMFIArray 0, which contains the most recent indicator value. We use normalized double to round this value to 5 decimal places, which is standard for most currency pairs. The result is stored in the variable BWMFI value. Finally, we display this value on the chart using the comment function. We pass the text BWMFI value, followed by the actual calculated value BWMFI value. This creates a text output in the top left corner of the chart that updates with every tick, showing the current BWMFI indicator value. We press F7 to compile the code and check for any errors. The compilation should complete successfully without any warnings or errors. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you maybe want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. Now we go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and are to start the strategy tester. We pick the Expert Advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode and start a strategy test. Then we should see the Expert Advisor on the chart displaying the current BWMFI value in the top left corner. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an Expert Advisor that retrieves and displays the current BWMFI indicator value on the chart. You have coded this simple display Expert Advisor yourself with just a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.